is Stevie Esper.
And my name is Bella Monzo.
We are treble choir representatives for the 25-26 school year.
We are honored to be here and looking forward to a great year of learning and making music together.
Our first song is called Seven Crudele. Seven Crudele is an Italian art song composed by Antonio Fabera, who lived from 1670 to 1736. This piece has allowed us to focus on aligning our vowels and building our sound as a choir. We have also been focusing on long phrases in addition to building our choral sound. The Italian lyrics translate to, although cruel one, you make me languish, always faithfully it is you I want to love. With the length of my servitude, your fiery temper, I will be able to extinguish.
Our next piece is She Sings. She Sings is reminiscent of a folk song while still conveying a modern feel. The lyrics describe a child who loves to sing and play during the day, but at night she cries for those who have never loved and for those who never sing. This piece has allowed us to continue our focus on Latin-based choral vowels and finding a balance between all three sections as each one of us has a featured moment. We hope you enjoy pieces as much as we have.